eight, whoa, eight, whoa, eight, whoa, eight, whoa. Morning, guys. Just wake up, and me sleep good till like I was so relaxed and sleep good. So now we go do now, but we go walk and tour a place, I guess. Yeah. How was it?
It was great. It was a good experience.
How you sleep?
Girl, I'm sleep good. I did paranoid in the night.
How was it, twin?
It was a great experience.
You sleep good?
I'm actually like it, so
yeah.
Definitely I'm gonna do it again.
Not true. Guys, this was a very good experience. I'm not telling no lie. Like, I'm my first time, and it just feel nice. In I tent is warm and nice. Me never really have to go under no woolly per sheet or no woolly per sweater. It just cool. It never all that cool. The water never all that cool. And now, not all that cool. So it was good. So take time I come out now. So I'm go wash my face, brush my teeth, look for like a breakfast, and then just continue to replace. But it's a very good experience. I love it. Water still dirty. So go. Guys think the river would have clear up by now, but it's not clear up. Not clear up at all. If I say go, next time we can come back. Hopefully next time when we come back it clear up so we can go in there, but we can't go in there now. See if we can try to get there, because I don't want to slide and drop. It's nice. It's nice.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life man. But thank God for the journey.
Yeah, so here do one pot. One pot omelette. And I have no tomato, excuse me. Huh? One pot. The girls say, I would find an easy life. They would find an easy life, of course. So they would find an easy life too.
Can't work, man. Can't. Me was at
Yeah, Twinkles with them easy for life. Yeah, with them easy for life? Which one of them? What? With them easy for life.
I mean, no, say never pick up on it. I'll come and tell you to put it on it. I mean, no, never eat that.
Why not take it out?
When I hit me, I tell you, but I'm not telling you to put it on it.
You
Never
never
ready
catch
to
fire.
You're never ready to put it on it. I'm not saying to put it on it and put it on it. What did I do that yourself? I'm touching the something.
Very. You sure you want it?
Guys, we're gonna wash up them now. Hey, let's stay up there, sir.
That one I found, no, that one. Yeah, right, baby, I'm gonna.
Yeah, do a mini hike. Mini hike before we leave. River over this.
Some white people. Are we? Kalau dia pun dia yang menghadirkan. Dia deep.
That deep, man.
Especially how we can't swim.
Not true.
Very deep.
We have to go each up on one side and can't move.
This is very deep for us. If you find out.
Some more around there, sir?
Yeah. I'll top we are going.
No, sir. So a nice mini hike before we left. No, sir, this are definitely deep.
You know, say what's happening?
But we have in a bush this, you know.
Somebody did at the park here. How do you vlog them? No, sir. You from where?
Not true.
Where it's called? Not big up.
Yeah, enough for the
Where it's called? I think a popular and up on the natural get up to popular. If you know that you can't be popular.
What's the water free?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna beard off. First we're gonna pack up and then we beard off and then we head out. So it was a lovely trip. I really enjoyed and I'll do this again. Alright guys, so we're leaving now. Them are do some work. So we just take them, we tend them and we are gonna leave out. We will leave out now. We are gonna head out now. So we take them, we tend them and everything already. So we're gonna leave. It was a very nice experience. We're gonna leave now.
Somebody will go up there, sir?
We are leaving now.
White people, I'm not
Them want to tell it. A white set of group. A white set of group feeling.
Some just come.
Hey guys, we just reached home. Thank God we reached home safe. It was a very good experience. I really enjoyed myself and I will do it again. I will do it again. So I'm so glad that I went on this, adventure just to experience a different part of Jamaica and just to camp and relax and enjoy myself. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.